wonder when he's going to give us another class project. It's been ages. Oh, I heard you and I'm ready. It is time to make your own proposal. Basically what we've created so far through the course, I want to make your own version for your own client if you haven't been kind of like moving it along step by step. So now's the time. So basically, here's the requirement. So you're going to your client and you're going to pitch them on an idea. So you've got an existing client, which is our, in my case, the Fox Camping in Outdoors. Okay, and I'm going to go to them and have an upsell. I'm like, hey guys, what are you doing for Black Friday? And they'll be like, I don't know. I'm going to pitch them on my Black Friday proposal, bit of paid marketing. I think it's going to work well for them. So I'm going to make a little pitch for them or a proposal. Okay. And I want you guys to make one for your company. Okay. And it's going to be in the doc format. So we're using that kind of like Word style format. You don't have to do it like mine. Mine's an example, but you might just look at other templates and go, oh, I'm going to use this kind of style. I don't want you to start with a template though. I want you to make your own stuff. I want you to bump into some of the issues, figure them out, make something on your own. A big part of this is going to be picking some fonts. Okay, so look at that font pairing. You might jump back to that video, but remember we've got a heading, subheading, and body copy that need to kind of work together. And I'm happy for you to just jump out and copy somebody else's. Okay, or maybe find your font that you've used in your brand and decide to find something that matches that or pairs with it. Okay, once you've got it, I'd like you to add some content. Use either Lorem Ipsum, okay, or AI. Okay, I don't mind where you get it, whether it's Magic Write from Canva or ChatGPT, just some placeholder text that you've got something to style. It doesn't have to be heavy. I just want really to see one page. You can do multiple pages if you like, okay, but I want you to design the header. Okay, remember that it's called design. I call it a header banner. Okay, that's that thing at the top there. There you go, header banner. And I want you to style it based on your brand. Okay, and I want you to have titles. Okay, there's going to be two titles. Okay, the overview and the details. The details is going to have the table that I want you to style, and overview just has a block of text. And somewhere on there, I would like you to use either a highlight block or a quote block, whatever you would like to use. That's the success metrics down the bottom here, up to you. And when you're finished, I want you to take a screenshot of your first page. You might have to put that page break in. We talked about page breaks. Okay, so without them, sometimes they can get a little bit kind of like not knowing where to finish. So remember, insert a page break, command return on your keyboard or control return on a PC. The little plus button in there as well. Okay, kind of separates it out. Mine's not a perfect A4 or US letter. That's okay. And because it's harder to go through and say share, download, and give me a JPEG or a PNG. Okay, just do a screenshot and upload it. Upload it both to the class projects and on social media. It's kind of this weird stuff where it's where the rubber meets the road. Branding's fun, but a lot of this is what we end up doing a lot as designers, a lot more kind of anodyne, simple things that it's these small touches where the brand is consistent across them all, which gives us a professionalism and actually makes it quicker because we know what colors to use, what fonts to use, and what color images I've been using in the past. Brand consistency is awesome. Anyway, go make that and enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.